GE5 vehicle unpacking installation video. Open the outer package. Sitting bag. Fenders and chargers. First, cut off the cable tie at the front of the car. Fold up the riser. Remove the tire. Riser folding buckle open. Handlebar installation. There's a slot and groove on this side of the riser folding buckle. Installing. Bayonet locking. Front wheel mounting. Inside the kit. Tool lock. Pedal. Rear pedal. Bearing rod. Manual. There is an installation drawing in the manual. The first one is to install headlights. The second step is to install the fender stick. The third step is to take the front plug. Installing the sleeve. Front wheel mounting bearing rod mounted above the front wheel. Tighten the front wheel screws. The first one. Remove the protective cover. Find the multifunction tool. Be the first to take this position off first. Find the bearing. Remove one nut here first. Light pad, flat pad, small zero pad. The long axis is on the side without the brake discs. Turn around. The short shaft is installed on the brake disc side. Then the curved pad. Small flat pad. Nut. The curved pads on both sides face out. Bushing facing inward. Okay, get stuck inside. Get your bearings. The bushing hook must be stuck on it. Tighten the nuts on both sides. After the screws are completely tightened, install the fenders. Take out the tools. Find a medium wheeling inner hexagon tool. Remove the headlight screws first. Fender fixing screw. One on each side. After the screws are removed, position of the fenders, headlights, screw tightening. Straighten the headlights. The screws are fully tightened. Then both sides screw for stick. Tighten half first, then the other side. Fully tightened. The other side. Tighten it completely again. Rear pedal installation. Cut off the screw sheaths on both sides. The rear stick at the position of the rear foot pedal, one on each side. Stick 3 screws. Take it off first. Rear pedal installation. Screw half the screw first. Mud plate self-tapping screw. Twist it in half first, then the other side. Mobile phone holder installation. Box opened. Bracket. Tool. Remove this screw from the fixed position first. Tighten the screws. Installed. Mobile phone holder installation. Take this nut off first. The screw is aligned with the position of this hole. The nut goes down to the bottom. Then tighten it clockwise. Foot mount. R is to the right, L is left. Let's take this pedal out first. This location. The screw thread should be screwed in the direction of the front of the car. Tighten slowly. Same thing on the other side. The thread is also screwed in the direction of the front of the car. Seat package installation. Open this position. Pin screw clockwise tightening. Fasten. The vehicle is installed.